Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to fix Audio's template not working on Instagram. And in order for us to do that, we're going to launch our Instagram application. Then we're going to tap on the plus icon here at the bottom. And then let's see, we're going to take a picture. And then we're going to tap on the stickers, and our audio should be located here. And as you can see, you can actually tap on the dice to change the prompt that I want to use. Let's say I'm going to be okay with that one. And then once I'm done, and then I can tap on done. Then I can adjust where I want my audios to be. So I want to put it here at the top. I'm going to add a text. Then say working. To tap on done. Then I'm going to adjust it. Let's say put it there. And then we're here to share it, and you can share it to our story, close friends, or message. In the case that you are not able to find the audios, the problem might be that you have a problem with your cellular data and your Wi-Fi. So you have to choose which one is actually has a strong internet connection. And lastly, you can try updating your Instagram application to the latest version. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.